Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm going to tell you about how to sew jeans to make it fit. I can help you with that. If you want to sew your jeans to make them fit better, you can try these steps. First, put on the jeans and mark where you want to take them in. Then carefully remove the jeans and turn them inside out. Use a sewing machine or needle and thread to sew along the marked lines, taking in the excess fabric. Make sure to try them on again to ensure a good fit before finishing the alterations. With a little sewing magic, you can have jeans can fix you perfectly. Here are some tips. Use a strong thread and use a longer stitch length. Reinforce stress points such as when sewing jeans. Reinforce areas like the crotch, pockets, and waistband by the back stitching or sewing multiple rows of stitches for added durability. Use a jeans or top stitching thread and take it slow. Sewing jeans can be a bit challenging, especially with thick fabric. Take your time, go slow, and make sure to test your stitches on scrap fabric before sewing on your jeans. So viewers, let's end the video here and we'll meet in the next video with more interesting content. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.